What's up, everybody? Back in action out in the garage with the F80. So I can't torque down the driver's side end link because the T30 or 5mm hex is stripped out. I think I messed it up when I initially installed the non-height adjustable springs when I first got the car, because there wasn't much thread left. So I've had the car parked and I haven't really been able to drive it, but what I did get is, here, I'll just show you the box, some Bimmerworld adjustable end links with these spherical bushings that are no longer rubber, and they're way stronger. And the best part about all of this is that you can tighten it with a wrench and you don't need a hex. So that's gonna be freaking wonderful to have that. All right, we got wheel off. So end link, top screw, it's a T30 16 mil. You got the other one on the bottom. Where is it? Right here, same thing, T30 16 mil. But if I can get you in here, what we're gonna have to deal with is right here. You're gonna have to loosen up this tray here. These are 8mm. I think there's one here. There's gonna be one right here on the bottom, and then I think there's one more right here. So 3 of those, pop those off. You don't have to take it out necessarily, we just need enough room to get the T30 on the back here, and then we can get after that. Alright, got the end link out. What's crazy about these is they're actually like perpendicular offset. You can see that. So they actually are unique side to side. You can't just get some universal one like this. You have to get one that aligns with the F80. New end link. So basically what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take the hardware out. And I've measured this against the stock one, so I want to run this just about as short as it'll go, because it's really not much shorter than factory. Okay, and the tightening torque for the end links is, I think it's 56 or 57 Newton meters. All right, so end link is in. It's all torqued down, top and bottom down here. But overall, looks nice. Everything's tightened down. Last thing to do is just, throw the wheel on. So that took me just about exactly an hour. So all in all, I'm pretty pumped with how that went together. I'm gonna go take it for a quick test drive and enjoy it. So that's doing end links on your F80. Not a big deal. Just make sure you take the trim off, give yourself adequate room, take your time on that piece, and it makes the whole job way easier. So, until next time, like, comment, subscribe. See you later.